In this video, we'll show you how to use Proton Mail Plus in 2026 and unlock the premium features you're already paying for. So if you recently upgraded to Proton Mail Plus, don't stop at simply sending and receiving emails. There are several features that can help you get much more value from your subscription. So start by signing into your Proton Mail account and now open the settings, click the settings, and select this all settings. So when you are on the Premium Plus, you can set up your custom email domain if you own one. This gives you a professional email address that's perfect for work, freelancing, or your personal brand. Next, you can also create additional email addresses and aliases. You can use separate addresses for work, online shopping, newsletters, and personal conversations while keeping everything organized in one inbox. And then take advantage of folders, labels. So go back to your inbox, and at the left panel, you will see here the folders and labels. So, like I said, you can take advantage of this by creating automatic rules to sort incoming emails by sender, subject, or keywords, helping you keep your inbox clean without doing anything manually. Another feature is worth enabling is the auto reply. So if you're traveling or away from work, you can automatically notify people that you'll respond later. So if you prefer using desktop email clients like Microsoft Outlook, Thunderbird, or Apple Email, you can install the Proton Mail Bridge. So this premium features lets you access your Proton Mail account securely throughout those applications while maintaining Proton's encryption model. So don't forget to review your security settings. You can enable the two-factor authentication, update your recovery options, and make sure your account is fully protected. And finally, if your subscription includes access to Proton services, explore Proton Calendar, Proton Drive, and Proton Pass, since they all use the same Proton account, you can build a complete privacy focused workspace with just one subscription. So by spending a few minutes setting up these features, you'll get far more value from Proton Mail Plus than simply using it as basic email service. And that's how to use Proton Mail Plus in 2026 and unlock every features you're currently paying for. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.